The chiefs and elders of Gbawe Kwatei Family will soon launch a monthly community clean-up exercise in the line with the government's national sanitation program. All youth within the community are expected to actively participate in maintaining a clean and healthy environment. To talk about the youth employment opportunities, the chiefs and elders will engage the business communities in Gbawe, particularly factories and companies operating on Gbawe Kwatei family lands, to create employment opportunities for the youth in the community. So to talk about addressing indiscipline, the rise in indiscipline, particularly reckless motor riding and related activities, is of concern. The chiefs and elders of Gbawe Kwatei family are trying to talk to the individuals, and we want to involve them to immediately desist from such acts to ensure peace and order in the community. In child welfare, parents are advised to not allow their children to roam the streets late at night, especially beyond 10 p.m. The chief and elders will hold parents accountable for any misconduct. Such behavior exposes children to risk, including teenage pregnancy and other social vices. Education remains a key pillar for national development. The youth of Gbawe are cautioned against the use of marijuana and other harmful substances. Yeah. All forms of drugs abuse must be seized immediately in the interest of personal health and community well-being.
One of the key focus areas of our community engagement is sanitation. We want to organize a monthly sanitation program that will coincide with the government policies of National Sanitation Day in every month. But the hours will be different because we are going to involve the social group in the community. We are going to even involve, we are not thinking of even involving the schools, especially the secondary schools within the community and other professional institutions within the community, so that they also enjoy the sanitation program that we want to, sanitation policy program we want to implement in Gbawe here. Because through the research from the Ghana Health Service within the Municipal Directorate of Health, we have found out that Gbawe community is increased in terms of malaria and other social vices diseases, communicable diseases, let me use the word. So please, we want to inform the general public that maybe by the end of May, the first sanitation program policy will be launched, and then we are appealing to all the communities in Gbawe and the community within Gbawe and all community within the Gbawe Kwatei family land. I'm talking about Doblogo, I'm talking about Malam, I'm talking about Otojo, and Onya, Jaman, and other surrounding areas, that they are going to also organize the same clean-up exercise there. Because we want to have a cleaning community within Gbawe land. Cleaning community within Gbawe land. We will come out with a team for our clean-up programs. So we are appealing to everybody. The media want you to carry this message across the media so that people will know and people understand that one of the key focus of our community engagement is that we want to be actively participating in regular community cleanup exercise. So that is the most and the focus. We know we have told you about how we are going to establish education fund. We want to improve the education standard of the community. We want to give scholarship to the needy children and the brilliant children in the community. We need to support them so that they can become somebody in future. We also want to caution the motor riders, that they should ride the motor discipline, because there is going to be a committee who is going to handle and educate them, and we will bring in National Road Safety Committee also to also educate them. The MTTU also will come and also educate them. So from next month month of May, there will be a lot of programs within the community. Thank you very much. God bless you, everybody.